Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So today we're gonna look at new updates, which is this. Yeah, I don't know how I actually can't play it, but the update is like too early, because like it was just like how do you say that? Like it was like 1 week ago and they literally updated it like 2 seconds. Okay, this looks interesting. I see the hummingbird updated and
Hello
whatever that
everyone,
bird is.
this is Cluz here. Today we're checking out the...
Actually, I'm sorry, Cools again. How did it get so many views in 3 hours? Okay, I'm getting.
and toucan update. Very excited. Not as much so as the hawk, but still excited. There's a few other little updates. This head here
Oh, the head is now looks weird.
got updated. Oh yeah, Hornbill's wings got updated.
That's not an update. That's glitched.
Which appear to be broken. Hornbill, what else got updated? Just the hornbill and like toucan. Alright, well we will start with the hummingbird.
Oh, I like the tail.
Rocket-tailed.
What's that? What's that called? Oh, eating looks so... What? I don't know what to say. It's cute and weird at the same time. Like, why are those wings like that? Okay. That's just weird.
This hiding animation is just a little weird.
That's what I...
Wings. It's for the little legs.
Yeah. Oh, that... Why does it have spots? Oh. Okay. I think everything's gonna be same. Why is it display? Okay. Yep. He got something here. Also, which part are you supposed to color the tail? Is that the part? Oh, yeah. Now, even the hummingbird has the diamond animation.
I honestly think for hummingbirds, these birds fly very slow in this game.
Yeah. Oh, I think I know. Why? Okay. I like this tail, but what is this? Oh, no. It says like pants.
Dude, he's got like pants on him here.
How do you know what I'm gonna say? Okay. Yep. Weirder and weirder. This is the like. How do I say this? This is my new favorite bird. Oh, that's cursed. That is cursed. That's cursed. Is that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be what is this? Is that supposed to be what the display is supposed to look like? That's weird, shiny. Nah, what is it supposed to be? Wait a minute. How did it land so fast? Well, I don't know what to say anymore. This looks normal. Oh, it's slippery. Also, if you didn't know, cluzmac, some birds penguins slip. I don't know. Slippery. I don't know how to say that, but they go like if you try to stop, they don't stop. Like when you, I don't know, but like it's like the penguin. I think it only works on the computer though. I never tried. I sometimes try it. They work on me. I don't know. Okay. Oh, that looks like a butt wings. Oh, that's what. I wanna have like those things. And that tail. Cute. Now it looks weird. I think also the color, yeah, the color changed. Did the color change? I don't know, but I think it changed because it was like more greener than.
Hey,
Oh.
I think my wings are broken, guys.
Oh, that's.
I don't even remember what these wings look like.
Right?
But I think this is how they're supposed to go. Maybe a little more scrunched up to be the folding wings. So they look nice. T-pose.
It looks like.
Oh, no, I just spawned in, and this thing is. Oh my gosh. My wings
it looks
are
like
broken.
it's flying.
I don't remember. I think these wings were like the big fat wings. So now that they fold, it's really nice.
Oh wait, I didn't skip that. Erase. Oh wait, what? That's wait. I shiny work hard on this baby. Also, is the beak supposed to be that big? Like it's literally the size of its head. Okay, I guess that's supposed to how it looks like. It's walking now. Why are the legs so skinny? Bro. Wow. The colors don't match. Wait. This bird has teeth? Tooth? I don't know. But it looks like it has something. I don't know. It's sharp. Also, the quote's kind of weird. The herd is almost the same with the baby. I don't know if that. Oh, that's a cool display. Oh my. There's like weird things going on in my house right now. Wait a minute. Oh my, everything's going wrong. So I gotta get a better place where there's no sound because I don't have to hear everyone talking with the phone or literally flushing the toilet. I thought this word was gonna be slow. Also, cluzmac, I'm very sorry. I don't want to copy you, but you know, the whole Roblox is banned in Turkey, so I can't actually play it. I like that.
Well, I think that's it for today's video.
That's all? Wait. I have to. Is that a heart?
What you think of this new update?
No. Wait. Is that a heart shape? I didn't see that was a heart shape. Anyway, subscribe to cluzmac too. And subscribe to me too. I'm just saying it because I literally just like kind of copy him. So I'm very sorry, cluzmac. So I want everyone to subscribe at me and cluzmac since this video is actually not mine. So bye bye guys.